Hey YouTube, this is Z-Man1019 back in action with Mike Kelly. We're going to show you something really awesome that Kip K invented. It is this. What is this, you say? It's a pill bottle with a straw at the end.
Not a straw.
A pen thing. Oh, I wonder what it does. It's an airsoft gun. What you do is blow into this little hole right here, and then shoots out. And then you hear this, yeah, like that, like a. Let's see.
Now listen to the difference. No BBs. BBs. Mosquitoes. That's why he's slapping his face.
Yeah, I'm not crazy.
Yeah.
No BBs. BBs.
You heard one of them.
That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Look at his channel.
Be sure to check out
link for his channel right here, right now, right there. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends about it, about my channel, and Mike Kelly's channel.
And Kip K's channel.
And Kip K's channel. I have Kip K's channel right here. Right there. So subscribe to all of them. We're all really amazing. We do videos often, and see you later. Bye.